Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be doing balance exercises. I really want for us to focus on this so we can strengthen our core, our legs, and really improve our balance. So get on some comfy clothes, also put some socks on, find a chair, find a doorway, wherever you can hold on to that is most comfortable for yourself. We're gonna start with our feet together, and we're just going to go all the way up on our toes and all the way down. And again, up and down, and up and down, and up and down. And when you're going up on your toes, feel like you're pulling up and pushing down at the same time. So you're feeling your body going in opposition. So pulling up and pushing down at the same time. Very good. We're gonna hold it there. Still hand on the chair. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let go of the chair. Arms out in front of you. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your hand back and come down. Okay? We're gonna do that one more time. All the way up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and up. Arms off, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. So now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna focus on one foot at a time. So we're gonna go all the way up. We're gonna pick up that left foot off the ground. Try to find the balance still with your hand on the chair. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and take your hand off and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and down. So if you have to keep, if you're not finding that center, that's okay. Put your hand, test it, find it, yeah? Everybody has trouble finding their balance. It's finding that center and finding your center over that foot. It's a very difficult thing to do. And now we're gonna try the other side. Up, pick up your right foot. Now hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And take it off, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. So if you can see, my right foot, which is weird, couldn't find that as strong as I could on my left side. So we're gonna repeat it one more time. Right and then left, going up on our toes, and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And now the other foot up, right foot up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet together and down. Very good. So we're finding our balance right now with parallel feet. Let's now find our balance with our feet turned out. Yes, so this is first position. Turning our feet slightly out. We're gonna go up on our toes. Yes, we hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna put our arms above our head and we're gonna hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down and down. Now, it's really important that you hold and suck that center in, hold it nice and tight, butt pulled in, down, trying to make a nice straight line. Again, working in opposition. We'll do that one more time. All the way up, hold it. 5, 4, find that center. 3, 2, and arms. All the way up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down and done. Very good. So now we are going to find our balance again over one foot at a time. But this time, I would like for us to start down already, transfer our weight onto the foot, and then pull up. And then find it, and then let go, okay? So we're not gonna find that balance already up and then transfer. We're gonna do it from down. So, starting down, picking up our left foot. From here, pushing down into the right foot, finding that center, pulling up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna put those arms up and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back down. Very good. And now other side, already starting with that leg in, on that left leg, pull up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and arms up, and we're gonna hold it. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good. Always testing it. If you can see, my ankle is moving. It's trying to readjust that center. So that's okay. So if you have if you're wobbling, that's okay. It also means that maybe you're not so strong also at this time. But the more you do these exercises, the stronger you will get. And also, if you're wobbling, it means that you're trying to find that balance. You're trying to find that center point to hold yourself, okay? So, one more time. We're gonna try it again on the right. And pull up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, arms up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down, switch. Oh, switch, yes, here we go. On the left foot, pull up, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, arms up and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. Also, another tip to help your balance, find a point in front of you and make sure that your head is not down, it's not up, it's right, exactly straight. Find a point and always focus on that point. It's a lot about focus and strength when you do balance. So now we are going to try to balance with our feet going in front of us, with our feet to the side, and with our feet behind us, okay? But we're gonna do it first on flat, fully flat, no going up on the releve, okay? Starting with our right foot, hold on to the chair, putting our right foot in front of us, keeping your feet parallel, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Arms down. 2, 3, 4, and 5 feet together. Very good. Hand back on the chair. Other foot out. Left foot, hold it there. We hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. We let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we're gonna put our feet to the sides, starting with our left foot since it's already there and available. Here we go, out to the side. Try to find that balance, right? If you see, I'm shifting my weight over, trying to get over my right foot, okay? And we hold it there. 3, 2, 1, and let go. 3, 2, 1, and feet together. Very good. We're gonna do the other side. Right foot out to the side. Shift that weight. Try to get that weight over your left foot. And we hold it. 3, 2, 1, let go. We hold it. 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good. Now we're gonna go back, starting with our left foot. Going back, picking that left foot up in the back. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see a little bit better. I'm gonna pick that left foot up. Good. If you see, I have to start pushing my weight a little bit more forward to get over my foot, okay? To get that center over that foot so it can hold my balance. And hold it. 3, 2, 1. Let go. 3, 2, 1. And switch. Right foot now. Right foot up. We hold it. 3, 2, 1. Let go. We hold it. 3, 2, 1. Feet together. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing, but up on our toes. Okay? So start up. Right foot forward. We hold it. 3, 2, 1. Arms up. 3, 2, 1. And feet together. Very good. Stay up. Now left foot up. 3, 2, 1. And come back down. Stay up. And foot out to the side. Arms up. 3, 2, 1. Feet together. Let's turn to the other side. And stay up on that releve. Hold it. Feel the burn. 3, 2, 1. And feet together. Turn to face the chair. Left foot out. Hold it up. 3, 2, 1. Feet together. Switch. Right foot back. And 3, 2, 1. And feet together. Face the front and come down. Whew, shake it out. You should be feeling the burn right now. Okay guys, the last exercise we are gonna be doing today is we're gonna go to second position. If you can't turn your feet out so much, that's okay. Then see where your maximum is. So we are going to go up on the toes. We're gonna bend our knees, keeping our feet up. We're going to go straighten the knees and come down. So we're gonna go up, down, and heels down. Up, down, up, and heels down. Yes? So being able to do movement while you are on your toes, this is where it gets complicated, okay? So here we go. We're gonna do 5 of them with the chair, 5 of them without the chair. Push that stomach in, zipper up the zipper. There's an imaginary zipper on your pants. Zipper it up. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. And up, down, and up, and down. That is 2, and continue. This is 3, and this is 4, and that is 5. Now without the chair. Up, down, up, down, up. That is 2. This is 3. Woo. This is 4. Keep going. Hold it in. Now leave it up. Hold it there. Hold. 5. Open. 4. Up. 3. Down. 2. And all the way down and 1. Very good, guys. Whew. If your legs and your calves and your everything are burning right now, they should be. It is very, very hard and you need a lot of strength for these exercises. So keep doing it, getting your legs nice and strong, working on that balance. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.